to the small village of Bernal in Mexico is a gigantic stone monolith. With 288 meters of altitude, it is the third highest in the world. In this video, I show you how you can climb it for free. So usually at this point you have to pay a small entrance fee. But if you go after 5 PM, there's no one to collect it and you can just enter for free. To reach the highest point where you can go, it takes around 45 minutes. And I arrived perfectly for the sunset. It is time to fly my drone. Let's go down before it gets dark. And I made it out before the night started. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a like and a comment. See you next time.